aboard!
Which coach are we?
We should be just here.
Ooh. First class.
All aboard for Brighton. All aboard.
Hurry up, Dr. Watson. Your wife needs you.
Coming, Mrs. Watson.
Ooh, first class champagne. You do know how to spoil a girl, Mr. Watson.
You're not just any girl.
I'm sorry, madam. You cannot use the lavatory while the train's on the station.
You're Mrs. Watson. Give me that bottle.
John, there is nowhere else in the world I would rather be.
There's no one I'd rather be with.
Why do you have a gun stuffed down the back of your trousers?
Old habits. Come in.
Oh, yes, Pete.
We didn't order that.
With our compliments, sir.
Thank you. Put it there.